Today we will be reviewing the story that we have read from yesterday, From Buds to Bananas by Betty Riggs. This is a book that um, is talking about bananas. As you can see the picture on the front here, it's very obvious what this book is about. Um, it's all about something that is true. There's going to be lots of facts in it. So what's the genre of this story? I hope you said nonfiction. This story is nonfiction. The genre is nonfiction. So let's go ahead and read it. From Buds to Bananas by Betty Riggs. Let's look at some of the things that we've been talking about this year. We've talked about the table of contents. That's usually at the beginning of the book. It tells what is going to be like the heading um, as you go through the book. And if you want to see, like, if you want to find out about what is on the banana plant, you would go to page 14. If you wanted to find out about how they ship the bananas, you would go to page 8. If you wanted to find out about eating bananas, you would go to page 16. So this kind of helps you know where to look for things in the book. It is table of contents, and it guides you to know what is in the book. As we go to the first page, it says peeling bananas. Matt loves to eat bananas. He likes to peel the yellow skin one strip at a time. Sometimes he just eats the banana, and sometimes he cuts up the banana onto his cereal. But where does Matt get the banana? So at the very top here, we're going to follow the steps on how do we get to the banana. There's a question mark. And here's a caption. Bananas have lots of vitamins and minerals. Look at his face. I think he looks pretty happy to be eating this banana. Well, first of all, usually most of us go to the store to pick out a banana. Matt and his mom, it says from a store. That's where we get the banana. Usually, Matt and his mom go to the store. They see lots of bananas. Matt knows green bananas are not sweet, but the yellow ones are ready to eat. He puts a bright yellow bunch in the cart. But how do the bananas get to the store? So here's a banana. We go to the store to get it, but how does it get to the store? And here's a caption. Ripe yellow bananas are soft and sweet. And then here is labels. They're labeling something for you. It says bunches of bananas on a truck. So they go to the store, they've come from a truck. Bananas get to the store on a big truck. The truck carries boxes of green bananas. Green bananas are not ripe. They are hard and taste bitter. They will ripen later after leaving the truck. So when they go into the truck, they're actually green. But how do the bananas get to the truck? So now we know, here's the steps that we know. We get a banana, it comes from the store, the truck brings it to the store. Now what happens before it gets to the truck? And here's a little caption. It says, many people cook green bananas to make them taste better. That's interesting. Some people use green bananas. They cook them. Okay. Oh my goodness. So they come on a big ship. Big ships carry hundreds of boxes of bananas across the sea and around the world. Workers put the boxes of bananas in cold, dark rooms so they stay green. But where do the workers get the bananas? So now we know that from a banana, here's the steps. We have a banana, they come from the store, the truck carries it to the store, and the ship carries it to the truck. So where does it go before the ship? It says Sometimes the trip takes many days. That's why the bananas need to be green, because if they're yellow, they would start rotting, and because they would want it to be green so that by the time it gets to you, it'll be nice. At a banana farm, that's where it comes from. Workers pick bunches of bananas at a farm. Then they check the size and color of every banana. The good bananas go into the box. The rotten ones are left out. But where do the bananas come from? Well, so far, this is what we know. We eat a banana. It comes from the store. The truck brings it to the store. The ships bring it to the truck. And the farm, the ships get it from the farms. Uh-oh, I see something at the bottom of the page. Spider. Everyone watches for banana spiders in the bunches. Did you know that? There's banana spiders? Okay. Well, from a bud. Well, isn't that interesting? Bunches of bananas grow from a huge purple bud. There are beautiful yellow flowers inside it. Each yellow flower turns into a tiny fruit called a finger. Then each finger quickly grows into a little green banana. Wow! Isn't that? But where do the buds grow? So, here's our steps. We eat a banana. It comes from the store. The truck brings it to the store. The ships bring it to the truck. The farm, the ship gets it from the farm, and it comes from a bud. Here's a label. This is a bud. These are the fingers. Here's the bananas. Here's the flowers. Each row of flowers becomes a row of bananas. Wow, these little flowers right here become bananas. Isn't that interesting? On a banana plant. Banana buds grow on plants with super tall stems and big leaves. The plants grow in hot, wet places. Banana plants grow fast. They need water, soil, and plenty of sun. But why do people grow banana plants? So here we go. We eat a banana. It comes from the store. The truck brings it to the store. The ship brings it to the truck. It comes from the farm. It comes from a bud. It comes from the plant. Here's a label, leaves. Look at those big leaves, big banana plant. And here's the stem. Animals love to eat bananas too. Look at that. Monkeys really like bananas. Then, to eat a banana. Bananas are amazing. They come in their own wrapper, so they're easy to carry, and they are good for you too. Best of all, they taste great. Fun banana facts. Bananas float in water like apples and watermelons. People around the world eat tons of bananas in a year. A cluster of bananas is called a hand. A hand has 10 to 20 fingers. Wow. And then the cover of the back of the book says, perfect snack. Some foods travel a long way to get to the store. Find out where a banana comes from and how it gets to you. Wow. So now every time you eat a banana, you can think, wow, this has come a long way. It might have come from a ship. It went into a truck. It went to the store. Wow. So eating a banana won't just be like eating a banana anymore. You'll have to think about all the places it came from.